Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 14, 23 years of age, 4'11" in height, and she measures 32, 23, and 33. All the way from the wonderful province of Samar. When it goes